안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today, let's make a warm, cozy Korean-style spicy egg drop soup called 얼큰달걀탕 in Korean. It's super easy with ingredients you probably already have at home, so you can just watch and make it right away. So first, I soak my glass noodles in hot water for about 5 minutes. They just sit there and get soft while I do everything else. Small win, right? Then I grab 2 eggs and whisk them quickly. Nothing fancy. I also cut off some green onions. It's hard to find those thick Korean rice onions called 대파 here in the US, so I just picked the thickest green onions I can find at the grocery store. Not perfect, but it works. Now into the heated pan, the chopped green onions go with a little bit of the cooking oil and the sesame oil. The moment those green onions hit the heat, it smells like home. I lower the heat and add the Korean hot pepper powder, otherwise they burn so fast. And give them a quick stir before adding water and fry for a minute. By now, the noodles are ready and soft, so I will add that to the broth. I season it with the soy sauce, fish sauce, and the minced garlic. That's my easy trio for flavor. Once the soup comes back to a boil, here is the best part. I slowly swirl in the eggs. Don't stir, just let them set on their own. If you stir, it will turn into egg porridge instead of the beautiful clear broth. Three minutes later, the eggs are cooked and the noodles are chewy and the soup smells amazing. Sometimes I add a little bit of black pepper or a tiny drizzle of sesame oil. And if you eat it with some rice and kimchi, oh, perfection. Have you ever made or tried this Korean spice egg drop soup before? Or would this be your first time? Please tell me in the comments. And also, what country are you watching from? I'm very curious. I wish I could share some of this soup with you right now. By the way, spring is coming and I'm so excited to garden again. How about you? If you want to grow Korean vegetables too, I have 26 Korean vegetable seeds in my Etsy shop. Just search Korean Accent and let's garden together. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.